brother? Oh my goodness.
Take a picture of them.
How many eggs did you use?
3.
3?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Your sisters are 2 turkeys. They hauled the spices out of the drawer. They opened up the paprika. Look at this. What a mess. What a mess.
Why did you want
No more. All done. No more flour, okay? Okay. This is my birthday surprise. I went to the bathroom and decided to sit down and relax for about 5 minutes.
You better get back there.
Hi, Jackson. What happened out here? Huh? We got quite the mess.
¿Qué tú haces? ¿Qué tú... Mira.
Oh, no! Don't do the broken egg dance. You will slip and slide and be on your bum bum. Don't even think about that one.
Jackson, can you walk this way? Do you want to walk? Go walk this way. Just walk this way.
Thank you, big brother, because that could be disastrous.
No.
Oh, no, that's enough, you guys.
Yeah, you got food coloring. Yeah, did you try to eat it? I see that.
Anna, look at mommy. What happened to you?
I'm messy.
What happened?
I'm messy.
What did you do? Robert. What is this mess?
What did you do? Cameron, what did you do?
What?
What? What'd you do?
What?
Yeah, what happened?
What?
I know what they are.
Yeah. And what'd you do to your brother? Brocky.
Look at me.